I carry a spare set of headphones to like just in case to give to someone, like a cheap pair of £2
That's so
headphones.
passive aggressive. I
Just
love
in
it.
case. No. I've had to do it once, right, to a kid because I was like, "Hi, like that's really loud," and everyone's and of course the reaction was, "Oh, he doesn't have headphones. Here you go," and he took it, and then it was fine.
That was
QR now play on the Starlink flights. They play that video. Do you remember I showed you? And it says about you saw it on our flight,
I saw
didn't you?
it, which is
about
great.
keeping headphones in and like stopping the noise.
It's great that they do that.